Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Ranger enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to lift your Ford Ranger. We'll start by looking at leveling kits. These popular options raise the front of your truck, usually by 1 to 2.5 inches, to eliminate that factory nose-down look. They are quite affordable, often costing less than $100, and allow you to fit slightly larger tires up to 32 inches. Plus, they are relatively easy to install and maintain your truck's original smooth ride. Next, let's explore suspension lift kits. These are more involved, replacing key components such as shocks, springs, and control arms. They provide a substantial lift, typically ranging from 3 to 6 inches, which dramatically increases ground clearance. This is fantastic for off-roading, allowing you to clear obstacles more easily. With a suspension lift, you can fit much larger tires, often up to 35 inches, giving your Ranger an impressive, commanding presence. Now, let's talk about body lift kits. These kits work by adding spacers between your truck's body and its frame, typically raising it by 1 to 3 inches. They are often more budget-friendly, usually costing between $200 and $500, and can be simpler to install compared to a full suspension lift. While they give your Ranger a taller look and allow for bigger tires, it's important to remember they don't increase ground clearance under the axles. Before you commit to lifting your Ford Ranger, there are a few crucial things to consider. Lifting your truck raises its center of gravity, which can affect handling and stability, especially at higher speeds. For lifts exceeding 2 inches, you might need additional modifications like differential drops or upgraded control arms to maintain proper suspension geometry. Always research your local laws on vehicle lift heights and be aware that modifications could impact your factory warranty. Plan carefully for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.